is Miss Aurelia, and I'm here at the Reston Teen Center, and we're going to do really fun arts and crafts that's pretty easy and doesn't require a lot of supplies. What we're going to do is make a goals and wishes heart chain, something similar to this but a lot longer. All you need for this are scissors, a marker. If you don't have any markers, you can easily use a pen or a pencil, a stapler. If you don't have a stapler, you can use glue or you can use tape. And I would say a couple sheets of construction paper. So what we're gonna do to start off is, I happen to have a paper cutter here, but you don't have to use that. We're not gonna use that today. Is I'm gonna create 1-inch strips with my construction paper. So all you gotta do is take your scissors, and cut strips. And that's about the size of 1 inch. Then what you're gonna do is write a goal or a wish on them. Something that you wish to do, I would say, before the end of 2020. So I'm gonna write on here a goal that I have is to eat healthier, eat 1 vegetable a day. So I'm just gonna write, eat 1 veggie per day. So this is where you can decide if you want your wishes and goals to be on the inside of the heart or the outside of the heart. I think if you make on the outside of the heart, it makes you a little bit more accountable, but if you want to keep it private, you can do it on the inside. I'm just gonna keep it on the inside for now to continue how I was doing my other ones. So all you gotta then do is fold it in half, create a crease, and then you're just gonna make a heart shape like this. Pinch the bottoms, and since I have a stapler, it makes it easy. Actually, I did something wrong. You gotta connect it, and then you can staple it. There you go. Then we're gonna do 1 more. Remember, you're gonna wanna do about a good amount of strips, and it can be however long that as you would like. And I've already pre-cut these strips. Let's do pink next. My next wish or goal is gonna be to take a 20-minute walk outside each day. Have it written, fold in half, don't make the mistake I did the first time, secure it, create that heart shape, and then you're gonna staple it. And you're just gonna keep doing this for however long you want. Obviously, the more things you have, the longer it can be. I think it would be great to display in your bedroom or play area that you might have, and kind of keeps you reminded. But the easiest way I would say to hang this up is just use tape. Make sure you ask your parents. Thank you so much for joining us, and I hope you enjoyed this easy craft.